Yo, I feel so fucking bad, yo. I'm in here watching the first 48 in Jamaica. I'm so used to being on cruise boats and I'm sitting up here trying to get right, get a drink and rolling up and shit. I look out the motherfucking window and see a fucking cruise boat. Look at that motherfucker right there.
Are you saying that he killed him? Is that what you're saying?
Royal Caribbean, yo.
I think he killed him. Okay, you think he killed him? Right. Okay.
I wish I was on that bitch right now.
Infuriated with me that I was talking to him again. He felt threatened.
I fucking love fucking cruising, man. Number one vacation. But I'm in Jamaica watching First 48. Let's see who's getting ready to snitch now.
I'll tell him to leave. And he said, you're staying here.
See?
And then what? He was just going.
And then what? And then what?
And then when he got back, I had to meet him downstairs. And he had words for me, nothing about Will.
Go to jail, bitch.
I need to understand.
I'm not taking no fucking phone calls right now. I don't give a fuck who on the phone. I'm gonna treat you like you. Hang up on him. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck who the fuck it is, man. I'm not taking no phone calls. Matter of fact, get the fuck out, man. Get the fuck out of here right now, man. I ain't fucking with nobody right now, man. Leave me the fuck alone. All y'all motherfuckers, man. Fuck all y'all, man. The fuck out. I'm gonna treat you like you. Fuck.
I'ma treat you like you treat me. Don't expect nothing else. They don't treat me like I treat them. So I guess I get a
backwoods in this bitch. Poison bitch. Got the weed in this bitch. I know that ain't no damn clear line. Never smoking no shit. I just ran out of motherfucking blunts, man. Now I'm smoking clear blunts, man. I ain't never had no shit like this till I came to fucking Jamaica. Clear as hell, bro. It's bad enough it's fucking hot. Fucking Jamaica, 90 degrees. My fucking teeth hurt me. On fucking vacation. I feel like I got hit in the face with a coconut. Bumper clock. Fuck my whole shit up.
You're not even in the business too small, then your face, your whole head cut off.
Oh man. This shit ain't right. I need a wisdom tooth pulled out. Bad. Last one. They trying to put my ass to sleep. Hell no, I ain't fucking one, boy. I guess that's why I go through this thing like this. Fuck it, put me to sleep. Take out my tooth. Stop my pain. James, oh my God. That rush hour, I said rush hour. That motherfucking Ride Along too was funny as fuck, bro. Oh my God, James, it's a crocodile back here. There's plenty of crocodiles back here, homie. I had a long day. See me? On the top watching everything. The Paris selling over there. They about to go down real briefly. We waiting for this lady to pull back up in that fucking car. She asked us to be going to go. I said, not right now. She took off like 2 hours. 2 hours been like 3 hours. want to take a picture? Yeah, taking pictures while videotape. You think they can take my insurance out here if I go to the dentist out here? I always think about that. Like if I broke my hand or some shit, I needed to go to the hospital or some shit. I got insurance,
you
but
gotta make sure they accept your insurance.
They probably be like, hell no, you're American. You pay like the rest of us. $3,000.
How you laugh?
$3,000. It's all good though. Last day out here. Last night. Real peaceful. It's a villa. It's a motherfucking villa. There were like 15, got like 15 rooms in there. 10 rooms. It's real private. You gotta go down there to the beach, man. To get it cracking. I'm gonna stop talking now because this fucking air is hitting my fucking teeth. And it's hurting me to talk to you. And that shit fucking happen. So, Jamaican cash. That shit look like a lot of money, right? Right? Hundreds, right? Hundreds. The other day y'all seen me with thousands. Shit look like a lot of money, right? Shit ain't shit, nigga. I mean, respect to the money. Respect to the money, but it's not a lot of money. Yeah, shit. It's not a lot. It's not a lot. You got the American dollars and shit over here. I'm just saying to show that shit. I just want to show you this shit. It's not a lot. So that's that shit I'm talking about. When your ass run out of blunts on the last day, and you gotta roll this shit. I know you probably thinking, what the fuck is that? That is a fucking clear fucking joint paper, nigga. I always seen them motherfuckers, but I ain't never smoked it like that, nigga. I ain't never smoked one until now, nigga. That's what happens when you run out of backwoods. You gotta smoke see-through shit, nigga. Tell that lady I need to run my ass down there to that motherfucking stove. You hear me? I'm finna twist this shit up, man. I'm finna show y'all what this shit look like. This shit is straight bugged out, yo. Transparent papers. Shit is fucking bugged out, yo. Told you, this shit is clear like a motherfucker. You can see straight through it. I'm talking about this bitch rolled up perfect. Like it was a fucking paper, nigga. I licked it one time, that bitch stuck together, man. I don't know, I already smoked one of them, man. Plastic like a motherfucker. But it's smokable plastic. I ain't really never seen this shit. I be seeing motherfuckers on Instagram and Facebook with these bitches, but I ain't never really fucked with them myself, man. This shit decent, man. It's alright, man. It's nasty. It ain't got no taste. A nasty taste, bro. Look at that shit. It tastes like a fucking top paper, man. You would think this shit tastes like plastic, yeah. This is what happens when you run out of cigars. You gotta resort to this shit right here.
smoking. We about to go pop out, man. Go down, motherfucker. Go down the mountain and shit, man. Last night out here, man. Yeah.
This is sticky icky.
Say what?
I'm watching a movie that was like, this is sticky icky. Ooh.
That shit went down the wrong pipe. Man, we gonna see what we gonna do for the day, man. We finna head down, man. No going nowhere, man. You watching S6, nigga. Where the fuck is the backwoods? Just got through shooting the video, though. Motherfucker, Treat You Like You. Off the motherfucking new album, Runaway Slave 3, shot by Butcher. She the one who be behind the camera making my shit look good. I'm about to blow this shit dig and go downstairs, man. We gonna go check some shit out, man. Don't go nowhere, man. Ass motherfucking 6. LuCkyBlog. Gang. Hanging back out of the chill out. Seem like this the only place to get something to eat from. They got a little kitchen up in there, but it's a little expensive and not as good as this shit. Plus, we don't want to sit there all goddamn day, so we figured we just come out, man, and check this shit out again. A couple more drinks. Got this pasta with the chicken. Chicken wing, large, chirp. These chicken wings was decent. We had these the other day. What's up with you? You ready to go back to the crib?
No.
You got less than 24 hours.
I know. That's the bad part about every trip. You gotta go back to reality.
We lost today though, so.
We did, but we make the best of the rest.
Chilling back at this motherfucker. They whipping up that banana daiquiri. The other day we ordered a pina colada joint. He whipping up that banana joint right now, so we're about to check that shit out. Last night here, man, I just found me some papers. I can't find no cigars nowhere. Too far in town, they don't want to drive that far. And I don't want to pay that much to get them to go that way. So fuck that shit. Got some papers though. About to roll up. I'm about to go chill out over there, man. They got a decent little spot over there. We can go check that shit out. Y'all don't go nowhere, man. LuCkyBlog season 6, hanging out at the chill out. Gang. Fucking Peter, fucking go. Fucking teeth don't supposed to be hard on fucking vacation, man. Running out of oral gel, weed ain't having. Got less than 24 hours to be here. It's been real motherfucking relaxing. It ain't been that turned up, man. You can tell it's a different Lucky right here. I really need my boat. I need my motherfucking cruise boat. This shit right here. I'm not a fan of just pulling up to a motherfucking spot and stand. I'm just not a fan of that. I'm a fan of coming to absorb and do everything I can with the rest of the tours. And have a good time. It's like, I don't even feel like a tourist. I feel like I live in this motherfucker. Ran out of motherfucking blunts. Can't find no goddamn blunts. Keep smoking out of plastic, clear papers, regular papers. Jamaica so big, but it costs a lot to go do exactly what you want to do. Yeah. Basically, I need my motherfucking boat, man.
This ain't leaky. Giving it to me.
It is, man.
No, it's not. Whole thing. Trash is so okay.
Yo, back over here, I don't know where the fuck she going. She drifted off and did some other shit, but we out of here tomorrow. Plane take off at 2. Probably get to the airport about like 12. So we'll be spending the night, man, chilling out here in Mahogany Bay. Like I said, this is a real short season right here.
Why do you keep saying Mahogany? It's Montego.
Short stay right here in Montego. You know what I mean? It was decent, man. I just wish I would have came and pulled up here with the cruise boat. That's about it, man. Real relaxing, man. Not really party. You know what I'm saying? And plus, we all the way up in them goddamn hills. Take a look at them hills up there. It'd be different if we was down here by the beach.
Hills over there. Going all the way.
We all the way in the motherfucking hills.
Up there.
So the lady don't be wanting to come down. She don't be wanting to come back and forth, you know what I mean? And goddamn it, taxi kids be wanting like $50 a wop just to go up that goddamn hill. Real shit. But she give us some courteous. She take us down like 2-3 times out the day. You know what I'm saying? And we get to do everything that's right here. The other day, y'all seen us. We actually paid for that trip to go all the way out down there. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty far. But we went to the other end of Montego Bay. We had a bunch of fun out there. We turned up at the beach. I got a chance to swim. Made up for the last vlog and everything else. But enjoying this motherfucking last little hours that we got here. Wish we could find some cigars, man. Wish everything was more up to speed, more jumpy. You know what I mean? But that's what you get. It's the difference between the boat and motherfucker actually flying here and chilling here. You know what I'm saying? So they call me Mr. Carter, man. I'm standing out right now, man. I'm hungry than a motherfucker. They should have that food over there right now. There's crabs all and shit in the water. I think they on their way up here. So get at me. Oh my God, it's right there.
Don't play with me. It's in the water. I'm straight. I don't want to look for it. No.
I ain't seen the motherfucker. I seen the motherfucker over there.
Nah, I seen it right there. You start to climb up. As I said your name, you climb right back there.
Them motherfucking crabs and shark fish like your motherfucking ass, boy. I don't see it.
Let's go. Boy, see us.
I don't know if our morals changed, but it ain't the same when we was coming up. Maybe my mind still stuck on thug life and everybody around me growing up. We put our partners first and put the money second. Now it's the bitch you fucking and the money second. The game is changing, just look at fashion. 20-year niggas be beefing, clashing. We used to tell a bitch what to do, now the bitch tell a nigga what to do. And then the nigga said, this is what I want to do. Right after the bitch told him what to do. Wait, what you say? I'm confused. It's all fucked up. Your man stay. And I ain't got no time. Can't believe a nigga just when you think you can, then prove you wrong, start lying. Maybe I'm just too real for y'all. Or maybe I just should speak it all. Won't do for me like they'll do for self. And when the money gone, that's when they needing help. When the drugs is gone, that's when they popping up. I know your patterns, I think I had enough. Hold a mirror up. Now what to see and get mad for what? I'ma treat you like you treat me.
Yo. It's the fucking last day out here, people. I'm sweating like a motherfucker. We in Jamaica right now. We got goats and shit up and down the street. Check it out. They just came from out of nowhere, about 10 deep. You start hearing we shooting the video right now. That motherfucker's coming. I ain't fucking with no billy goat. Them motherfuckers that knock your ass. See, they're making that noise.
They not on strings?
Hell no, they ain't on strings.
Yeah, let's go back in the cage then.
Man, you scared of the goats? Let's go.
I'm not messing with the damn goats. I thought they was on strings. Look, see, they right there. They all getting closer.
Oh, fuck, they by the gate. They ready to crunch some shit.
I know. What if they running the gate? It's not like we can close it.
They ready to crunch some shit on Chief. They go one right there.
Let me go. Just say go.
You scared of the billy goat?
I'll get closer to the building.
That motherfucker's like, whoa, whoa, whoa. Goats just walking around here, bro.
That goat laughing at you over there.
That motherfucker just hopped the mountain quick as hell. Hold on. That black goat right there though, his ass on some other shit.
You one looking over here?
His ass ain't left by that gate yet. I ain't got no motherfucking time. I ain't got no motherfucking time to be fighting no motherfucking billy goats, nigga, out here, nigga. Plane leave at 2 o'clock, nigga. We got 2 more hours, nigga. Black man. Jump out motherfucking billy goats, nigga. Look at Butcher, she scared. One of them motherfuckers gonna run up on her ass. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Give me that pussy. Give me that pussy. Give me that pussy. That motherfucker come up to you. Give me that pussy.
You stupid. I just want to.
Shit is amazing, yo.
Do you see him?
They stopping me from shooting my motherfucking video.
Sure is.
They finna be in the fucking video. Babe, don't go too close. That Billy go to kill your ass, Monique. You ain't heard? That motherfucker get the charging at you, I'm running straight into the motherfucking plate.
Throwing that man in the air.
Yo. We about to get the fuck out of here, man. It's been okay, man. You know, motherfucker get to come out here and calm down and relax, you know what I'm saying? Get some peace and quiet. Get to spend time with the motherfucker you with. Far as the partying and all that shit, I gotta get this motherfucker a good 2 stars out of 5. You know what I'm saying? We all the way at the top of this fucking hill. And that is the fucking problem. And it takes forever to get the fuck back down there and get to the places that we supposed to be at. So basically we done did everything around this area within like a motherfucking 10-mile radius. Didn't really get to go to Kingston, didn't get to go to Ocho Rios, didn't get to go to all the fun, exciting places. But you know, we got some peace of mind, got some good clips, good views. Shot a couple videos, had a couple laughs, a couple smiles. It beat motherfucking LA and Mexico where it was so cold. You see, I just can't stop fucking sweating. And I do the dumb shit all the time. I put lotion on and it come right the fuck off. You know what I'm saying? We just tried to shoot a video. The Billy Goats fucked up our video shoot. So hopefully we can get that. You know what I'm saying? But we on our way to the motherfucking airport. Plane leaving about 2 hours. Be back in Chicago at 6. It's been motherfucking okay, man. It's been fun, Montego, but we're gonna have to come back and do this again. You know what I'm saying? I'm not really into the flying in and chilling and shit. You know, they call me Mr. Carnival, so I'm gonna stay on the boat. You know what I mean? Whether it's Royal Caribbean or wherever the fuck it is. You know what I'm saying? I can't do this come here by yourself shit. You know what I'm saying? Poacher.
Hello, world.
Montego Bay. Conclusion.
It was nice. It was very relaxing. It's one of those you want to get away from everything and everybody and just keep to yourself kind of thing. There's a lot of bugs out here.
Why you keep grabbing the dress?
Because it's a lot of sticky ickies out here. It keeps sticking to me and
Sticky ickies.
it's sticking to my legs and shit. I need to get from out of here. But
yeah.
It was nice.
How about the weather? You like the weather?
It's very hot.
Food was good. Got a chance to swim.
Yeah.
The people, everything
Ate
good.
this jerk. People was very friendly, man. You know, man?
Yeah, man.
So all I keep saying is, yeah, man. Okay, man. Right away, man.
Ready to go back to the crib?
Yes. I need a shower.
I ain't never been on a vacation this quick and been ready to go back home. Ain't that funny?
Because we ain't go nowhere. It's been here.
Got to fuck with the carnival.
Yeah. It's the best way to travel.
Got to fuck with the carnival. Yo, LuCkyBlog season 6. That's a motherfucking rap. You heard me? We really need our people out here like a motherfucker. If we had Yang and T out here, man, we'd be kicking like a motherfucker. My nigga killing, man. You know, but we wanted to get out, man, and do some solo shit, man. You know, I can't be having to say I don't be doing shit for it. You know what I'm saying? Can't be having that shit. Gotta keep my lady satisfied, you feel me? Y'all niggas get y'all ass off them couches, man. You understand what I'm telling you? Get out and do something with your life. When I first started this motherfucking blog off, I hit you with a quote that said, we don't travel to escape life, but so life won't escape us. And that's the truth, like a motherfucker. You gonna get these experiences, man. And not rather good or bad, man. You gotta live with it. You know what I'm saying? Each one teach one, you feel me? LuCkyBlog season 6. It's been fun. Lucky, man. I just figured I'll talk to y'all one last time. I'm sitting up here at the airport right now. On our way back to Chicago, leaving Montego Bay, Jamaica. You understand? Let's talk about how we first even end up getting here, because I know y'all know I do fucking cruises if I'm gonna pay for some shit. I know everybody know about Six Flags Great America, right? Right. If you don't know about this shit, your ass is not on motherfucking planet Earth. Alright? I went to Six Flags Great America, me and the girl and the kid, you know what I mean? We was stopped by these motherfucking people who was talking about some, hey, free vacation, free water park. So we stopped and talked to them. They say, hey, give us $40. We'll give you tickets and your kids to a water park all day. Y'all can have fun, and we'll give y'all a free vacation. 4 or 5 nights. So I said, shit, hell yeah, that's worth it, nigga. Get in the $40. They set us an appointment to come out there to their little time shit. You know how that be. They be trying to sell you some shit, yada, yada, yada. You just keep telling me, yes, no, not right now. I can't afford it at this time. No, not right now. So they was like, okay, cool. They go to tickets to the water park. Y'all enjoy yourself, which we did. And here go 2 tickets. So you can go to Jamaica, Aruba, and some other places they was talking about. And we just left Aruba, LuCkyBlog season 4. So we figured, hey, fuck it, man. We need to do Montego Bay, Jamaica. So we came out here to Montego Bay and they sent us all the way on the fucking hill, man. Who fucking knew that they was gonna send us fucking miles and miles away from everything? You know, shit be too good to be true. They talking about some free trips to Jamaica. Yeah, okay. I see why it's a free trip to Jamaica. You put us on a fucking hill, nigga, motherfucking 15, 20 miles away from everything. Then we had to pay $50 just to get from the airport to the motherfucking place. That's how far it was. Then when we got there, the people offered free shuttles down the hill, but it was only like in that area. So we had to deal with the Emerald View Resort and everything down the hill in that area in like a mile's radius. You had to pay for everything else. I mean, we had to pay $40 on episode 2 just to go to where we was at. You know what I'm saying? They then wanted to charge us $100 to go to Niagara. The grill. I don't know if I'm saying it right. But yeah, that's what it was. So we enjoyed our time up there. You know, it was like a family-based resort. Real peaceful, real quiet. Not many people. Good thing is that we found the weed as soon as we got up off the motherfucking plane. Gave us a whole ounce for $50. Then I got another quarter for like 25 somewhere else. So that shit lasted for like a good 5 days. We actually cut our trip short because we missed the plane on Sunday. So we had to come out on Monday. You know what I mean? But all together, I can't complain, man. It was real relaxing. I was expecting to turn the fuck up because y'all know how I be. And y'all know how I get when I be on those cruises and shit. It's a certain feeling. I thought I was going to get that same feeling. But you know, everything, when you doing shit like that, you flying in, everything is all on you. From a taxi to all that. We was gonna rent a car. That shit was like $105 for like 5 days. That probably was one of our biggest problems. We should have just rented that car. You know, so unfortunately, most of the time we were stuck up in the resort. You know, but it was real peaceful. It was a getaway, man. I know I keep saying this shit over and over again, but I gotta let my people out there know exactly what it is. You know what I'm saying? So if you come to Montego Bay, Jamaica, or any parts of Jamaica, please, people, get your own car, own transportation. Make sure you're not in the hill somewhere. Make sure you with all the tourists and everybody else, you know what I'm saying, that's trying to turn up and have fun. Out of 5 stars, I gotta give my trip to Montego Bay 2 stars. I would never, ever fucking ever again go on another fucking vacation without being on one of these fucking Carnival cruise boats. Or any cruise boat, for that matter. You know, there's so many benefits and so much entertainment, so much other shit when you're dealing with shit like that, versus coming out here and being stuck in on your own. You know what I mean? The tab run up. The tab runs the fuck up. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, it's 12:55. Plane board at 1:20. I'm about to go chill out, man. I've been up all day smoking weed, trying to get rid of all the fucking weed I had. And I think it's time to board, so you've been watching LuCkyBlog Season 6. Montego Bay, Jamaica. I'm your motherfucking host, Prince Lucky. Don't go nowhere. Please, people, subscribe. We will be back again this year. September. It's going to be the full extended season. Subscribe, don't go nowhere, man. Shout out all my people. You watching LuCkyBlog Season 6. Prince Lucky, don't go nowhere. Turn up. Let's do it. Yeah, I'm out. Getting on that plane right now, yeah. I'm the last alive. I'm always the last nigga, I swear to God. They be like, nigga, get your ass on the last. You fucking terrorist. You been watching LuCkyBlog Season motherfucking 6. Shout out to Southwest, they getting me back to Chirac.
FYI. Cruise, motherfucker, cruise. Don't do shit else.